Ever wonder where to park your money and actually keep your profits? A regular savings account earns interest, but here's the catch. You pay taxes on that interest as income. Even if it's just $10 earned, it's reportable, and that's why Grandma didn't trust banks. But fear not, a TFSA tax-free savings account is the superhero of Canadian finance. Any interest, dividends, or gains inside a TFSA, totally tax-free. Withdraw anytime, no penalties, grows your money faster without the CRA knocking on your door. It's doing what a bank account is supposed to do. Protect your money. The old way was one checking account and one savings account. Throw away the savings account and embrace the TFSA. So if you're saving for the future, make your money work smarter and tax-free with one checking account and one TFSA account. Pro tip, open a high-interest TFSA account today and let compound interest do its magic. Tax-free. Remember, start budgeting smart today, protect your credit, and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.